Audio Jungle.
Hello guys, Victoria is here with an unique and awesome platform. So guys, today I come with an amazing platform. Before starting the review of this amazing platform, I would request you to, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for further upcoming video notification. So guys, let's start the review now. Welcome to the Dakas. So guys, today I describe about you very unique and awesome project which is about Dakas, how you can buy this amazing tokens and how you can earn profit in future lot of more, and how you can hold this token. So I explain each and everything about this unique platform so you don't miss any part of the video. So before starting the review, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. To do your own research for every investment you make. This video is only for educational purpose. So guys, welcome to the Dakas. Here you can see it is decentralized finance, and here is the official contract address of the Dakas. So you have to copy and buy this amazing token. So guys, it is very unique and awesome, so you have to must join this amazing platform. So what is Dakas token? Here I explain about Star Dakas token. So it is the basically the blockchain technology token which innovates solution to today's financial challenges. So today we are facing many financial challenges, and this will be very innovative solutions to the all of us, and it provides a transparent and secure and efficient means to raise funds, finance projects, and facilitate P2P transactions. So guys, it is decentralized architectures, eliminates unnecessary intermediates and democratizes access to investment, allowing anyone anywhere in the world to participate in the global economy with only a internet connection. So if there is no issue where are you, and where are you living, where are you from, so you have to just simply your internet connection and you can participate in this amazing token from anywhere of the world. So there is no issue. You have just have to their internet connections only to join the Dakas community, Dakas tokens, Dakas platforms. So DACA seeks to generate financial returns and drive socio-economic development and collective progress. Both of they are the at a time of rapid change. As we know, times are growing fast days, and there are mostly technological disruptions. So what TACAS represents, it represents a unique opportunity to be a part of financial revolution. It will give a revolution to all over the world on Daka's platform. So you have to must join this guy's amazing platform. So here is the route which are divided into different phases. Here you can see guys, in phase 1 there will be the website launch, social medias, created contract address, and also marketing address and contract creations. Also they're listing on dex tools and 100 holders, and also the marketing promotion. This is in phase 1. And in phase 2 there will be 500 holders. Also they expand their community, they develop their white paper. They will describe each and everything about Dakas in their in documentation forms, and they will appear in white papers. And in phase 3, it's make 1 million market capitalization, and more marketing promotion will be in phase 3, and almost 1000 plus holders which hold Aka's token and also own their listing Coin Market Cap, which is an famous exchange. Here you can set and hold, and also listing on CoinGecko. CoinGecko is also, very famous exchanges, Coin Market Cap, CoinGecko. And in phase 4 there will be more market capitalization, which is about 10 million, guys, which is very huge. And also do very massive influencers partnerships. And in phase 5 it will be very fantastic, guys. There will be 10,000 holders about Aga's tokens and 100 million plus market capitalizations. And after coin market cap listing off on CoinGecko, there will be listed on CEX exchange too. And on all famous exchanges, it will be, guys, listed. And you can buy after listing or before listing, you get more profits from this amazing platform. So guys, here you can see their token specifications also. Here you can see their burn is about 1%, and marketing is about 2.4%, and liquidity of is 1%. Here you can see their liquidity, and also about their anti-weight, which is no one can exceed about 1.1%. And here is token burning also, which is 20 will be burned every month. And here you can see their liquidity also be locked about Takas. And here you can see their token lock Champad, which is locked, and token lock UniCX will be locked. And here is the question, save how you can to buy and contracted as Telegram group, Facebook account, Xcoin, TikTok account, and also Instagram account. So guys, here is all our social medias account about Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, official Twitter account. So you have to must there all of the communities, all their social medias accounts. So about Taka's community. So here you can see the Taka's graph and also their price. So guys, here it is basically on BNB Smart Chain contract. And here you can see their value of the price of Takas on BNB, which is very low, guys, and you can easily buy this, and in few days it will be increased, and it's completely when in case you can earn a lot of profit by buying this stock or token. So here you can see their price, which is very low, and you can, guys, easily buy this. So here is the total supply of their tokens. And here you can see also their total market cap. And here is the beautiful bluish graph of the Dakas. Here you can see their graph. So guys, here you can see their graph, which is completely bluish, how it's pumping, and it's dump anywhere, but now it's pumping. And here you can see their daily values of their price of Takas on this, which is at very low price, and now it's increasing after day by day. And here you can see there's the token holders, which is the about proof of their transactions which they have buy, and they are holding star Dakas token. Here you can see there's the, and here is the also on, you can swap on the Pancake Swap exchange. You can also this Takas token you can swap on this. And here is the all official social medias accounts of the Takas. This is their Facebook account, guys. So you have to must join this, and you have to follow this their official Telegram community, guys. You have to must join this. And there is you can get all upcoming news and information about Sadakas in their Telegram community. So guys, here is the official Twitter account of the Dakas. So you have to must join this. I am also following this account, so you have to must join their official account, because you can get all upcoming news and information about Dakas. So here you can see their and total supply of this token, which is about 999 trillions total supply, and automatic burning tax 1%. Liquidity tax is 1.5%, which is already I have described in their brief. So here is the TikTokers which have explained about the dakas, and you can see there's the videos. There are also YouTube videos of famous influencers. You can see these videos, and you have to like and comment on there. And this is the Twitter official account of the Dhaka. So you have to must join this amazing platform. I recommend you to kindly join this and invite your family and friends. I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching.